Hey everyone, I wanted to get back to you about the salary problem for the holiday home stretch. So I know I gave you some preliminary information, and I'm sorry I wasn't able to get this video up yesterday. I was having some IT internet issues. So hopefully this will all go pretty smoothly and I'll get you the information that you need. Okay, so just to recap, let's talk about what this ideal salary is, right? You're going to be working for 30 days, and coincidentally, you didn't hear it from me, but you could always try this one on your parents. Say, you know what? Don't give me an allowance. Just do this for me, right? I'm totally just kidding, by the way. But anyway, so here's the idea. We're going to work for 30 days, and on day 1, we're going to earn only 1 cent. And then every day for 30 days, our salary will double. So if we look at that in a chart, right, day 1 we earned 1 penny, so that's our total earned to date. Day 2, right, we double that amount now, we've earned 2 cents. And so the total that we've earned to date is the 1 cent from the day before plus the 2 cents from today, so now our total is 3 cents. Okay, on day 3, we're going to double that 2 cents to 4 cents, but now the total that we've earned is the 3 cents we had from the previous 2 days plus the 4 cents from day 3. That gives us 7 cents. So hopefully you kind of see how this is working. So this number here is just the addition of the number before it plus that, right? So I add those two together, I end up with 15. If I add 15 cents and 16 cents, I get the 31. Okay, and that's how this whole column is working. But this whole column is really the driver here, because each time we're doubling the amount of money that we make, right? So when you look at it like this, you're like, oh man, after a week, all I've earned is a total of $1.27. And so you might be thinking, there's no way I'm going to get that much after 30 days. But I think you're going to be pretty surprised when you see how much it is you end up earning. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to, there's 2 things that I want you to do. The first thing I want you to do is to finish out this chart for 30 days. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is finish the chart for a total of 30 days. Now, if you want to do it by hand, you can do it by hand and scan it to me. If you want to do it on the computer, save it as a file and email it to me, you can do it that way too. Okay, either one is fine. That's the first part. The second part is to see if you can figure out an equation that will get you these values automatically. Okay, so see if you can find the equation that models this. Find the equation that models this. And I will tell you this, it is an exponential equation. Exponential equation. That's your little hint there. Okay, but you will get points for doing each part separately. So you'll get some holiday home stretch challenge points for doing this, and then you will also get points for doing that. Okay, so that is the task that's the ideal salary component of the holiday home stretch challenge. I'm going to have something else for you coming up tomorrow, so stay tuned. As you can see, like I gave you, that first one wasn't too hard. This one's a little bit more challenging. I'm going to give you different levels of challenge, right? I might give you something a little bit easier, might give you something a little bit harder, might give you something math related, might give you something not math related. So you got to stay tuned in. It's going to pay off for you in the end, okay? So hopefully this helped. Have a great day, everybody. I'll catch you next time. All right, take care. Bye, folks.